What is going on, Castro Valley Vibe? We have the pleasure to be at a hidden gem here in Castro Valley Village at Mel's Shoe Clinic with the one and only Mel. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
Can you tell us a little bit of what you guys have inside your amazing store?
Well, we repair shoes, and at the same time, we have lots of gift items, like Western items, Native American items, and lots of different belts and purses and wallets, leather goods, and all kind of food products and products for shoes and everything like that. Then
Nice.
we repair shoes. We put watch batteries, and we sharpen knives.
Great.
Well, we've been doing it for like 41 years.
41 years.
Yes.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Well, there's also a tradition coming up on Monday that a
Yes.
lot of the business owners in the village do. Can you briefly explain what's that on
Well,
Monday?
on Monday from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock, you can come and get candy from every store. They do it. They didn't do it on the pandemic for a couple of years, but it's a tradition every year on Halloween Day. They do that, and it's fun. We get thousands of people and kids, and it's really nice. It's a very good tradition for the shopping center in Castro Valley. So everybody welcome, and they have like I think some kind of a kids costume thing
Contest
like that
probably?
going.
Contest?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Good.
All right.
welcome
Say
everybody.
that again.
Thank you, Mel.
Okay.
All
We
right.
appreciate your Castro Valley Vibe. Love what you do for our community. Come on down to the village Monday from 3 to 6 and come check on Mel.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna
Thank
do
you.
a little walkthrough.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Enjoy your Halloween.
Will do. All right. Get some shoe polish, all kinds of stuff. Purses, belts, jewelry, cool belt buckles.